Would you like some hair but gold bear? Ooh, I love these. The ones where I chew it.
At 9:30 a.m., the unknown phenomenon is headed towards to Los Angeles. The gigantic creature came to Japan in 1954. This creature was born from the nuclear explosion, and its rage is now beginning. Lock your doors and windows, and be safe inside. Before that creature comes to your town, remain calm and safe quietly.
Hi, me. Hi, me. Hi. Hi, Richard!
Princess Unikitty, there you are.
At 6:29 a.m., the creature has now arrived at the Los Angeles, destroying many houses, shop stores, fast food and buildings. But don't worry, the military are here to help, and get ready to fight this creature. But one of the soldiers who said the name of the monster, here is a photo that he shows us. From the photo, the monster appeared to be a name called it Godzilla. This creature came ashore from Odo Island in 1945, after the post-World War II. The creature's body was covered with the deadly poisonous radiation, and its dorsal fins were sharpened. If you're in California, Arizona, or New Mexico, you will order to evacuate immediately. Please remain calm. The military can use the nuclear weapons to kill the monstrous enemy.
Also have to refill the sunbeams, clean the moat, sweep the chimneys, fluff the pillows, feed the birds,
Good evening, Dr. Serizawa. I would like to tell you about Godzilla. Good evening, Miss Good.I'm so glad you had a good question about Godzilla. So, Gojira is an ancient Japanese language? Doctor, I don't understand why Godzilla is the last of its kind. Because EAS 5 from Thanos extinction I 65 million years ago. Godzilla is a mutation dinosaur that EAS created by the nuclear weapons near the Bikini Atoll in 1946. But Godzilla has his own nemesis, ancient god, like alien from the outer space. The angels raised to him before me. The name is Ghidorah. Wait, Ghidorah? Is Ghidorah the one of Godzilla's nemesis? Yes, but Ghidorah is the one of the angels, not the gods have given EAS all that Ghidorah will save USB, UT even as Ghidorah WAS and evil. Ghidorah is the one of the aliens. Ghidorah betrays the gods, but the gods are here to protect EAS. They need Godzilla to save EAS from the evil beings. Okay, but I have to go work. Bye, Akiko. Bye, Lily.
After the attack of Godzilla at 2:55 a.m., 99 people were killed by the creature's anger. Godzilla is looking for the nuclear factory and his radiation levels getting stronger. Godzilla's height is around to 50 meters and 164 feet tall. If you are in San Francisco, you're in order to evacuate immediately or this creature will come into your town. Lock your doors and windows and stay quiet inside and don't make noises. At 4:25 p.m., there is another monster approaching to San Francisco, but it's not just any monster. It's the alien with 2 massive wingspan and even 3 heads. This alien is a god. The godlike alien decimates many cities, such as San Francisco, New York, Washington, Las Vegas, and even Orlando were all destroyed around the United States. But Godzilla knew that godlike alien is the one of his nemesis. If you're in California, Oregon, New York, Colorado, Arizona, Montana, or North Carolina, you are ordered to evacuate immediately. This is the emergency response. Godzilla has finally finished the alien off. Its entire body got exploded, which it goes supernova up to the sky. The massive shockwave swiped over the entire planet, and the sky was crystal clear. Godzilla returns to the ocean after leaving the chaos. However, we're sure that Godzilla will return to our mainland and to fight the enemies like giant monsters all around the globe. Thank you for watching the emergency alert system, and enjoy to stay safe in the United States.